I've got a great tool that I want to share with you. I'm not really going to set it up, but I want you to pay close attention to the cutter as it's running in the comments I have for you. And let's discover together what this is all about. Are you ready? You can watch it go, just running away. Notice how you don't really see any chips or swarf landing. They've gone from contouring now to ramping in. Watch, just see as it's flying away? It's not landing, it's just taking off. Ramping in at aggressive angles. Oh, I love watching tools cut. Yeah. Sweet moves. And now it's drilling. Yeah, drilling. What you may not realize, looking at that tool run, everything it was accomplishing, the way the swarf is just flying away, is that's actually a micro end mill. Yeah. That's anywhere from 1/32 to 1/8 in diameter currently, which is 0.8 to 3 millimeters. And there's something special about that shank. I'm gonna pull something up. Let's look at it a little closer. If you zoom in right here, these little jets, if you've got through the tool coolant running, coolant's gonna come out of there, which is a beautiful thing because micro tools, it's so common to hit the side. The coolant just comes pinging off of the side, right? Like bam, bam, bam. And you actually deflect your tool and it causes premature wear. However, with the equally spaced micro jets, now you can use through spindle air or you can use your coolant and you're gonna blast away all those chips and watch them fly. You're no longer going to be recutting any of your chips. When you're using a micro tool, it's not gonna fly. I don't know how many end mills I've snapped over the years, you know, that under 3 mil range, and it was chip recutting or too much coolant pressure on the side of the tool. And this new micro diver from Guhring absolutely revolutionizes what micro tools can do. That's one tool you can throw in to do your standard contouring. You can ramp down, you can drill with it, pocketing, all of it, with phenomenal life across a wider range of alloys. So it's not restricted to one specific material group either. If you have micro tools that you are using right now, this end mill, this one right here, it would be a shame not to give it a try. So let's work together and make it happen. Thanks for checking out this video. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.